Nature has endowed North America with a unique and priceless resource, an incomparable waterfowl population and its wetland habitat that has been in the making for thousands of years.
The mallards are one of the first to arrive. The brilliantly colored male mallard, called a drake, will court the female for a period of time by swimming around her in circles. Ducks seek new mates each year. The wood duck, one of the most colorful of all waterfowl, migrated north from the river bottoms of the southeastern United States. Canada geese mate for life. If either partner dies or is killed, the survivor again mates for life. Just 3 weeks after hatching, the young Canada goslings following their mother.
The geese know that the safest place to be is on the open waters. Yet she knows that for adults and young alike, the shoreline is very dangerous.
The Canada goose is also a protective parent, and when one or both mates are killed, the goslings will be raised by other adults in a group that is called an orphanage.
Though the goslings are oblivious to what is going on around them, their mother wants them to move on. She's suddenly nervous. For the new goslings, now that they've left the nest where they were hatched, life under the watchful eye of their mother has become a wonderful time of playing in the water and feeding on the abundance of insect life. Many of this year's goslings will return to the marsh as adults.
The survival rate of the goslings is better than that of ducklings, because ducks are not as good protectors of their young, and only about half of the ducklings hatched live to the end of their first summer. Those that survive will grow rapidly in this pristine and abundant habitat. There are only 4 goslings left from a brood of 8, mainly because of predators.
A small lake, nestled gem-like in the Green Valley, is the creation of the large female beaver.
The beavers built their dam here and created this pond several years ago.
Spring's gentle warmth has settled over the valley.
A new world has begun in the area of the beaver pond.
Now the work on the dam must be finished, for soon the predators of the nighttime world will be stirring.
Her handiwork attracts many other animals.
This area has become a hub of activity for many of the animals living in this vicinity.
Geese are only one of many kinds of waterfowl and other wildlife attracted to the pond.
The beavers have come to know there really isn't much danger for them from predators, so long as they remain in or very near the water of their pond.
The young of the beaver were born in April. They'll stay with their mother for 2 years and should survive in this lush wetland habitat because of highly protective parents.
Now he knows exactly when it's quite safe for him to spend long, pleasant minutes grooming.